Tectonic. Once again, I am back with some more bullish content for you guys. Tonic fam, Crow fam, we are taking over the space one day at a time, and it's very clear to see, right? There's no denying the fact that Crow Tonic, the Crow ecosystem, is about to blow like we've never seen before. The parabola that has been happening in the past recent weeks, it's undeniable. And I hope you guys have your bags packed. I hope you're DCing in. And something very interesting from a tweet that I saw as well when I was covering the potential of a Coinbase listing for Tonic and the experimental asset label. Found a tweet from another person in the Tonic community that made a poll, and we're gonna go through all of that one step at a time, guys. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Right now the channel is sitting at 1,850 subscribers, super close to 2,000. If you hold Tonic, you're a part of the Tonic community, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. The more you guys support these videos, the more Tonic gets pushed into the algorithm, and the more people join the Tonic community and helps the project to grow. Also, please support my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts as well. First thing we're going to take a look at is stock market. S&P still performing pretty well, up 2.79 points, 0.07%. Stock market, man, the gains of the stock market are so slow. They are so slow in the stock market. The gains of the stock market are pretty much nothing compared to the volatility in crypto. This is why I'm always gonna choose crypto over the stock market any day of the week, right? You get 10x's like left and right in the crypto market, especially in a bull market. There's gonna be so many projects that are going 10x, 50x like it's nothing, right? So, but we have to cover the stock market. Take a look at the stock market so we can see how the overall markets will be performing, because Bitcoin is heavily correlated to the Nasdaq, right? Super correlated to the stock market. When that is performing well, expect Bitcoin to perform well. Bitcoin being the lead market mover, say it time and time again, once that is moving to the upside, expect Tonic to follow. Look at the charts compared to each other, guys. When Bitcoin is bullish and making moves to the upside, alts follow, right? Ethereum, project with great fundamentals though. Don't expect a random meme coin to follow the fundamentals. It doesn't work like that. Projects with great fundamentals follow the top leading market mover, and Tonic is one of those projects. It's pretty much there for you guys. So crypto, it's simple, right? Don't overcomplicate things. It's just patience, right? There, you buy at the lows, you buy red and you sell green. You buy in the bear market and you sell in the bull market. It's that simple. It's nothing too complex, nothing too overly complicated. You find great projects that are at the lows. They have great fundamentals. They have some type of utility. They have a community. They have a working team. You buy at the lows. You buy in the red. You sell at the green, right? You take profits at the green. Or you could diamond hand into the future, years into the future. That's really on you. But from what we've seen in history, it's bear bull, and that's how it's always been so far, right? So I expect we have another bull cycle incoming, and that's the time when you decide to take profits along the way, guys, because it's always great to take profits, right? But for right now, we still have a long way to go. We have so much more upside for Tonic, so just be patient, diamond hand. And this is the thing, most people think this is a bad entry point. This is still a good entry point, right? Because it's so much ground to cover for the potential future of Tonic. So still not even a bad entry point on Tonic at these levels, But who knows, we could have a pullback and that would be your entry. But I do love this bullish trend that we're seeing, guys. From Cronos, we have a Tectonic little image right here. Not much of a Star Wars fan, but it's great edit. and we have a reply from PMC can help, showing that in the Tectonic markets, Tectonic is one of the top performing projects on the Crow ecosystem, with swaps from VVS Finance, Wrap Crow, and USDC. Very bullish, guys, absolutely bullish. Like I said, when Crow starts to develop, mass adoption takes place for the Crow ecosystem, Cronos. You'll see more and more people get into crypto, new retail, as they get onboarded through crypto.com. They're gonna scoop themselves up some Crow, and they will also scoop themselves up some of the lead performing D apps on the Crow ecosystem. Tonic is one of those projects, right? It's clear as day that Tonic is one of the top performing D apps on the Cronos ecosystem. So future looking very bright. 165k for Wrap Crow Tonic peer and 88k for the USDC Tonic peer. Very, very bullish. Also on crypto.com exchange, 83k for the Tonic USD peer. From Tectonic slowly climbing, number 573, Tonic's future is bright. So the ranks, we're climbing up the ranks on CoinGecko, guys, the market cap rank. It's only a matter of time till we see 300, 200, top 100 for Tonic. Hey, who knows? Who knows? We'll see what happens, guys. From F Bargain, one day Tonic will be early investors' best source of income. Tonic is like making your own bank that works for you 24/7. This is one thing you guys can't rule out. That is the utility and use case of Tonic and what it provides. The DeFi aspects of Tonic, the passive income rewards of Tonic, very, very bullish stuff, right? Absolutely bullish stuff. There's multiple different ways to earn. There's vaults as well. So great things ahead for Tonic. Whales love highly liquid projects. I said this in my previous videos. Whales love highly liquid projects. Tonic is one of those projects. Expect the whales to join the Tonic community before you know it. More and more whales, obviously, because I'm sure there's some whales in the Tonic community already. From Shango, which listing is likely to happen first for Tectonic? Being listed on Coinbase experimental listings or Binance? And I selected Coinbase experimental. There's a nice number of votes on this as well from the Tonic community. Now, the reason why I selected that, if you guys take a look at my channel, I previously made a video, Tectonic Coinbase listing possible. Here's how. Coinbase recently, a few months ago, introduced the experimental asset label, where it lists projects with lower market caps and lower trade volumes. And this is where I see Tonic could get into that potential listing of Coinbase, right? It could potentially happen. You can't rule out anything in crypto, right? And you know, I won't mention the name of the other projects, but they were sitting at similar market caps to Tonic before they were listed, around 10, 15, 20, 30 million dollars in market cap. All of them were very low in market cap, very low trade volume. As soon as they got on Coinbase, though, because I was there when Coinbase was putting out tweets, I was trying to get in them to make some quick trades, you know, get a few X's, then get out, you know, buy the rumor, sell the news. So that was going on, and every time I saw notifications, I was like, okay, this is about to get listed, let me get in this. It goes on to Coinbase, give it a week or two, it goes 300%, you know, 500%. It was absolutely insane. And this is what happened previously with previous assets. Like I said, around that time, it was around like 20 or so projects, right? This is how I see Tectonic getting onto Coinbase, right? And in the future, after, you know, Coinbase, we could see Binance as well. You can't rule these things out. From Got the Sauce, in 2016 you missed ETH, 2017 you missed ADA, 2018 you missed BNB, 2019 you missed Link, 2020 you missed DOT, 2021 you missed Sheep, 2022 you missed Ape, in 2023 don't miss Tonic. And that is just facts, guys. That is just absolutely facts. Potential growth for Tonic is something you don't want to miss, and I completely agree with that. From Fact Checker, more and more people sees Tonic potential as a long-term investment. and he's replying, quote retweeting Frankie Crypto. Taking a look at Tonic, has his Tonic staked, and we recently hit $30 million in market cap. That's a 3x up. 10 to 30 million, that's a 3x up from the market cap it was previously at, back down here when I was covering it on the channel, around 10 to 9.7, 9.8 million, guys. And you know, like I said, this move that we just had is minuscule. This is just the start. There's so much more potential upside for Tonic. And finally, from James Choi, financial conditions are loosening. Ignoring Fed policy rate, Powell's credibility is literally non-existent. As you guys could see from this chart, the bulls are slowly beginning to step in, right? It's only a matter of time until we get the next Fed meeting, and then we have a pause on interest rates. Once we get a pause on interest rates, the markets will react and go absolutely bullish. We're gonna see green days non-stop. Okay, it's only a matter of time till we get a Fed pause where they stop raising interest rates completely, and then we get a Fed pivot, and you know, it's bring on bull run season, guys. It's bull run season all day, every day. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I really appreciate all the support that you guys give me on these videos. Words can't express that, you know, how much I appreciate the support. Thank you guys so much. If you made it to this far in the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is your first time hearing about Tonic. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.